Have you ever stumbled across a supplement online that promises to transform your joint and nerve health overnight and wondered if it's actually legit or just another clever marketing scam? That's exactly what I found with Core Strength Joint Supplement, a product being heavily promoted with claims that it naturally supports nerve function, circulation, and restores joint comfort and mobility, all backed by thousands of 5-star reviews. At first glance, the ads look like serious investigative news reports, featuring deepfake images of well-known figures like Dr. Sanjay Gupta and other celebrities to give the supplement credibility. They talk about a secret honey remedy and even introduce a fictional toxin called cavium chloride, building suspense for almost an hour before finally offering bottles of core strength instead of the promised recipe. On paper, it seems impressive dramatic improvements, glowing testimonials, and bold statements about nervous system support, but the more I looked, the more red flags emerged. There's no published clinical research, the company behind it is largely opaque, and the FDA-approved facility language is vague at best. Many of the customer reviews and images appear AI-generated, and countdown timers and limited stock messages create a sense of artificial urgency. Plus, the same or similar formula shows up under different brand names online, making it difficult to know what you're actually buying. While some people claim noticeable relief, it's hard to separate anecdotal experiences from the aggressive marketing tactics. In short, Core Strength Joint Supplement is wrapped in convincing advertising, but the lack of transparency, verified studies, and questionable promotional methods leave a lot of unanswered questions. Whether it works for you may depend entirely on chance, and it's worth approaching with caution while doing thorough research before making a purchase.